Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to borrow money using your GCash account. First, you need to log into your account. My remaining balance is 13.81. Go to your profile, then click the G-score. Make sure that your account is fully verified, then your G-score is 300 up something. As of this moment, you can borrow 300 pesos. So, let's get started. By the way guys, once you click the G-score, na mo pop up dira nga 3 application, G-loan, G-gives, and the G-borrows. Only click the G-loan. So here's the details of your loan. The loan amount, which is 300 pesos. The purpose of loan is emergency. After you provide the details, click the get this loan. In order for you to get a higher loan amount, make sure to pay your loan on time. Here's the summary of your loan application. The interest, the processing fee worth 19.50. The total amount is 319.50. After reading the borrowing tips, click continue. The next step is you need to provide your personal information. Your nickname, sex, civil status, then other mobile number. Optional lang na siya guys. Then your emergency contact. Pasensya na guys, akong tingog medyo lain gid siya kay giubog gisipon ko karong panahona. Laban lang gid ta diring dapita. After reviewing your GLoan application, click the box then submit. Zero interest siya, then ang processing fee is 19.50. Before November 8 is mabayaran na dapat nimo siya. Then proceed, check nimo ng mga box dira, then continue. Confirm, then mo text dadayon ang GCash sa OTP. Congrats, your loan application is successful. So, processing na siya, then atong i-refresh, then naana dayon siya na kay 313.81. And that's all for today's video. I hope nga nakatabang siya. Bye! For listening guys. Bye!